हेलो फ्रेंड, स्टैंडर्ड 10 चैप्टर नंबर 9 हाई जंप। आपका सेकंड टर्म का सिलेबस भी शुरू हो गया है, जिनमें आज हाई जंप के बारे में हम लोग सीखेंगे। अमॉन्ग ऑल द ट्रैक एंड फील्ड इवेंट्स, हाई जंप ऑक्यूपाइज यूनिक पोजीशन. Skills for high jump are developed repeatedly and many changes have taken place in the skill of high jump. In high jump, an athlete comes running, takes off stronger leg, lift the body in the upward direction, crosses the crossbar and land on the feet. In high jump, if the athletes want to jump higher, the part of the body below the waist should be turned upward to raise the center of gravity of the body as high possible in air. Those in high jump, lifting the body in the direction opposite to the of the force of gravity and maintaining the proper position of the body have a great importance. ग्राउंड इसका कैसा होता है, प्ले फील्ड इसका कैसा होता है. तो अप्रोच रन, मैक्सिमम लेंथ ऑफ अप्रोच रन इज 15 मीटर. लेंथ ऑफ अप्रोच रन फॉर ओलंपिक एंड इंटरनेशनल competition is kept 20 to 25 meter. From the uprights of high jump, an area of 15 meters, radius is drawn and the entire area is leveled to be used as the approach run. Pit, length is 5 meters and width is 4 meter. Instead of filling the pit with the sand, rubber foam is used for safety. इक्विपमेंट्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? तो uprights, they shall be sufficiently high as to exceed the actual height to which the crossbar is raised by at least 10 centimeter. The distance between the uprights shall be not less than 4 meter nor more than 4.04 meter. जो स्टैंड्स आते हैं ना, उसको अपराइट्स बोलते हैं. तो दोनों साइड 4 मीटर से 4.04 मीटर तक के होने चाहिए. 4 से कम नहीं होनी चाहिए और 4.04 से ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. और इसके बीच में जो क्रॉस बार होता है, तो जहाँ पर क्रॉस बार रखते हैं उससे 10 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर रहना चाहिए. इसके बाद क्रॉस बार. The crossbar shall be made of wooden or other suitable materials. The overall length of the crossbar shall be 3.98 meter to 4.02 meters. The maximum weight of crossbar shall be 2 kg. The diameter of circular parts of the crossbar shall be 2.9 centimeter to 3.1 centimeter. The end pieces shall be square in shape. Support of crossbar. Support of the crossbar shall be 4 centimeter wide and 5 centimeter long with rectangular shape. जो स्टैंड होते हैं, स्टैंड के ऊपर एक नट बोल्ट से लगा हुआ एक स्टैंड के अंदर फिट किया हुआ होता है, जिसके ऊपर क्रॉस बार रखा जाता है। स्किल्स, स्किल mainly 4 skill. First is approach run, second is takeoff, third is bar clearance, and fourth is landing. Now let us discuss this skill in detail. First, approach run. Following item can be included in approach run. Direction. The direction to be taken by the athlete depends on the style that the athlete intends to adopt. In the scissor style, Eastern cut up style, Fosbury flop style, the take-off leg is placed on the outside away from the crossbar compared to the free leg. So an athlete who take off on the right leg will have to come to the take-off point from the left side, while in the western roll and straddle style, as the take-off leg is coming towards the crossbar, the athlete will have to come running from the right side. The angle for the run. The angle of the body formed at the take-off mark with the crossbar while running towards the side of the uprights in the direction of the approach run is called the angle of approach run. This angle is different in various style of high jump. Generally, the athletes arrive at the angle of 39 to 45 degree. Distance. After deciding the direction of and angle of the approach run, the athlete has to decide the distance he will run before taking off. Generally, athletes execute the take-off after covering a distance of 12 to 15 meters in 7 to 9 stride. सेकेंड स्किल आता है इसका टेक ऑफ. द एथलीट फर्स्ट मेक अ मार्क ऑन द ग्राउंड एट अ प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस from the uprights and the crossbar. He takes this measurement with his arm. This mark is for the athletes as his take-off mark, taking care not to obstruct the speed obtained during the run-up. The athlete touches the take-off mark first with the heel of his take-off foot. Takes off the lift his body in the upward direction. The last stride in the run-up is longer and touches the take-off mark first with the heel of his take-off foot. Slightly bends the knee of take-off leg. Center of gravity of the body will be slight back and downward because the momentum of the body, it will be pushed forward when the toe of the take-off leg touches the ground. At this time, if the arm is swing from down to the upward direction and if the free leg is straightened with the swing, it will be easier for the athlete to lift his body effectively in the upward direction. In the short combination of lifting ability of take of foot, swing of free leg and upward motion of both the arm lift the body effectively in the upward direction. So today we learn introduction of high jump, play field or a ground of high jump, approach run, feet, equipment, uprights and crossbar and support of crossbar. Skills, first is approach run and second is take off. तो टुडे यहाँ तक हम लोग जो सीखे हैं तो 2 स्किल बाकी रह गई है, बार क्लियरेंस एंड लैंडिंग। नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग ये क्लियर करेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।